Okay, so here we are with a new model, and this is the tray, the system that can move the robot in and out of the tray. Now it has two arms now. These two arms, instead of a tray that just moves in and out, that slides in and out, I call it the slider. Instead I've got this little piece here that spins around, and the motors aren't on it, but you can get the idea. It's a two-arm system, so one arm can move this way, and that moves the robot, and also it can move to another set of trays, and then this other arm is the primary arm, so it can take it anywhere you want, so that way I'll be able to reach just about anything I want. It's got a few caveats, of course. I've got to be able to, I have to move this entire tray system over if I'm going to go in, if I'm going to move up and down and in and out. I'll have to move over here to kind of clear it so that it can go ahead and not knock into the side, because obviously if it's too far over, it'll knock into this post. So now all I've got to do is just add the motors in, and I'll show a picture of how far I've gotten with this system. I don't have it welded up yet. I do have this piece, but it's not quite right yet, but it's pretty close. So that's it.